In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add join button on Facebook page. Before we dive in, here's the key thing to understand. Facebook pages don't have a true join button. Join is a feature for Facebook groups. For pages, the closest equivalent is the follow button, and there's also the older like system. Your goal is to encourage people to follow your page, which effectively acts like joining your audience. You can also grow your page by inviting friends and attracting followers, but the main action you'll set up is the page's primary button. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages your page. If you use the newer Pages experience, confirm that you're using Facebook as your page profile so you can access editing tools. Go to your page. From the main page view, look for the three-dot more icon, usually near the top of your page, close to your cover photo. Tap that More button to open the page options. Next, tap Edit Action button. This is where you control the big button visitors see at the top of your page. It's the call to action that guides people to do something specific. Now select your button type. If your goal is the closest thing to join, choose follow if it's available. Follow makes sure people see your updates in their feed without needing to become friends. Some pages may also show like. It still signals interest, but follow is typically the best modern alternative to join. If your page is more about getting inquiries, you can choose options like contact, send message, or call now. If you're promoting content or services, learn more or shop might fit. The important part is to pick the option that aligns with how you want visitors to engage, with follow as the main join-like choice. After selecting your button, save your changes. Your page's primary button updates immediately for visitors. If you don't see it switch right away, give the app a moment and refresh your page. A quick tip, because there isn't a real join page button, consider adding a short line to your page description or a pinned post that says something like, "Tap follow to get our latest updates." It sets clear expectations and helps visitors know exactly what to do. Remember, you can also invite friends and encourage your audience to follow to build momentum. That's it. Open the app, go to your page, tap More, choose Edit Action button, select the best button type, ideally follow, and save. You now have the most effective alternative to a join button on your Facebook page.